At the end of this media, you will be able to know about the components of DC machine. You are seeing a cross-sectional view of DC machine. Let us see the various components of DC machine. Yoke. Yoke provides mechanical support for poles. It acts as a protecting cover for the whole machine. It also provides the path for the magnetic flux produced by the poles. Armature. It is the coil wound in an iron core. This is the main part which generates the EMF in a generator or develops torque in a motor. Lugs. Lugs are used to tap rotor winding connections to the commutator. Brushes. The brushes will collect current from commutator. They are made of carbon or graphite. Brushes are housed in brush holders. The brushes are made to bear down on the commutator by a spring. The tension of the spring can be adjusted by changing the position of the lever in the notches. A flexible copper pigtail mounted at the top of the brush conveys current from the brushes to the holder. Shaft. It's a long iron stem. It holds the whole armature assembly. Commutator. Commutator facilitates collection of current from the armature conductors. It converts the alternating EMF induced in the armature into unidirectional DC current in the external circuit. It periodically reverses the current in an electric motor or electrical generator. Stator. It is the stationary part of a DC machine. It comprises of field coils, poles, and pole shoes. The coil which energizes the pole is known as the field coil or field winding. Bearings. A bearing is a device to allow constrained relative motion between two or more parts, typically rotation or linear movement. Thus, you have learned about the various components of DC machine.